Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete stuff from one track in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to launch your Audacity application on your computer. Once the program opens and you can see your audio project, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where your track is displayed. You'll notice 3 dotted lines positioned right next to your track name. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a menu of options for that specific track. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Split Stereo Track. This is a crucial step because it separates your stereo track into 2 independent channels, giving you the ability to edit the left and right channels separately. This means you can now work on just one side of your audio without affecting the other, which is exactly what you need when you want to delete content from a specific track only. Now that your stereo track has been split into 2 separate tracks, you can select the exact portion you want to remove. Click and drag your cursor across the specific part of the audio you wish to delete. You'll see a highlighted section appear indicating the area you've selected. This selection tool allows you to be precise about what gets removed, so take your time to make sure you've selected exactly what you want to delete. With your desired section highlighted, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various editing options available in Audacity. From this menu, select Delete. Once you click Delete, the highlighted section will be removed instantly from that track, while the other track remains completely untouched and unaffected by your edit. If you need to delete additional sections from the same track or perform similar edits on the other track, simply repeat the process. Just select the portion you want to remove by clicking and dragging, then go to Edit and choose Delete again. This method gives you full control over your audio editing and allows you to clean up your tracks precisely the way you want them. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted specific content from one track in Audacity without affecting the other. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.